Alright YouTube, on today's episode of Garage Boys, I'm going to show you how to remove the radio on a 2001 to 2007 Chrysler Town and Country. As you can see, I'm having an issue where my radio is just blinking on and off, uncontrollable. You can turn on the radio, but you don't get anything because it's just on and off. It's a very common problem with this vehicles, with the radios flickering or your buttons go off or whatever. So I'm going to show you how to take it off. I'm going to see if it's something with the cables, but after doing some research, it's the radio itself, so your best option is replacing it. But I think you can buy it cheap on Amazon or eBay or any online or junkyard, I guess. But to remove it is very easy, so let me show you what to do. So the first step on removing it, there's only 2 screws. If you come in here to your cup holder and you just pull it out, in here there's a little button. You press that button, and then it's just a release button, so you can pull this out. So you take that out of the way, and when you come down here, you can just put your hand in, and you see this little panel. This is held by 2 clips, so you can just get your hands back there, and it's 1 clip on the side and 1 on this side, just like that. 2 clips. One got stuck in here, but it goes in there. Sorry for the brightness. Let me fix this. Okay, so it's 2 clips. And you pull this out. Now that you pull that out, you're gonna see there's 2 screws in here. This one and this one. There's actually 4. There's one, the outer ones, which is this one and this one, but we're not gonna touch those. We're just gonna remove this one right here and this one right there. So just use your Phillips screwdriver and take those off. I'm gonna go ahead and take those off and then show you what to do next. Okay, so here we go. All right guys, so now that we removed those 2 screws at the bottom, now there's just a bunch of clips going all across the radio panel. So this, and you can come in here and put your finger in here and kind of pull it out. I already did this 1 clip so I can show you, but it was really hard. So what I did was I got a flathead just like this, and I came in here just like this, and I pulled back, as you can see, and then I got that 1 clip. Now with that 1 clip off, you're gonna come in, and I'm gonna try and do this with 1 hand, but it sounds like it breaks. The whole thing just came out. It's mostly clips. You may break stuff, I mean, depending on how old your vehicle is, but as you can see, there's 2 clips up there. There's on this side, we have 1, 2 clips on this side, and I'm assuming there's 2 on this side as well. It's probably so, because they hold right there. Okay, so now that we remove this, I'm gonna go ahead and unplug. What is this? I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this. It's just 1 plug, and I'm gonna remove it right now, and then I'm gonna show you what type of plug it is. It's pretty one of those push and pull. So I'm gonna do that so just I can have some space, and I can show you what to do with the radio afterwards. So here, to remove this little clip back here, the plug, that's this one right here, you have to push this thing back. So pull this back. You're gonna use your flat head because it's kind of tight, but this is usually up here. You're gonna push it back, pull back. And once it's back, you're able to push this button, and then it comes out. That's how you remove that plug. All right. Okay, guys, so now that we removed that, as you can see, you have all this space and everything going on. You're gonna get your Phillips, and there's 4 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna remove those, and then we should be able to just bring this straight out. So go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so remove those 4 screws, and the radio comes out. Very easy. I checked the cables back there, and that's the only thing holding it right now, and everything looks fine. I mean, I'm not an electrician, but everything looks fine. Like I mentioned before, my issues with the little flickering on and off or whatever from the radio, I'm still doing it. It's just, there you go. But what people were saying online is that the problem is not back here, but it's with the board of the radio. You can open it up and mess with it, but at the end of the day, the issue's gonna come back. The best solution is just to buy a new radio. This is the antenna, this is the power cord back there. Oh, this is just the computer stuff. But that's it, guys. This is how you remove it. Just use the Phillips screwdriver and just a bunch of clips. It's good to know where they are so you won't break them. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped. If you have any comments, any suggestions, please write them below. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Take care.